Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're checking out the Eufy Hardwood 11S Max, a super slim, super quiet, and surprisingly powerful robot vacuum that's been getting a ton of love online, especially from people who want something simple, efficient, and budget-friendly. Let's find out. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Before we dive into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're into honest reviews about smart home tech, gadgets, and gear that make your life easier. And of course, tell me in the comments, have you tried a robot vacuum before? If so, which one? If not, what's holding you back? Let's start with the design. One of the standout things about the 11S Max is its ultra-slim profile. We're talking just 2.85 inches tall. That means it can glide under couches, beds, and low-clearance furniture where dust bunnies love to hide. It's also super lightweight and sleek in classic matte black, giving it a premium look without the premium price tag. Now, don't let the size fool you. This thing has some serious cleaning power. With 2,000 pascals of suction strength, the 11S Max is designed to handle everything from small crumbs and pet hair to more stubborn dirt on hard floors and even medium pile carpets. It automatically increases suction when it detects extra debris, so it gives a deeper clean when needed. You don't need to mess with settings, it just knows. One of the biggest perks of this model? Quiet operation. Unlike some vacuums that sound like a mini jet engine, the 11S Max runs quietly in the background. You could easily have a conversation or watch TV while it's working. That makes it perfect for small apartments, bedrooms, or anyone sensitive to loud appliances. It's also self-charging, which means once it's done cleaning or if the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. No manual plugging in or chasing it around the house. Just set it up and let it handle the rest. The 11S Max uses a combo of infrared sensors, drop sensing technology, and smart bumpers to navigate around furniture, avoid stairs, and prevent collisions. While it doesn't use LiDAR or camera-based mapping like more expensive bots, it still does a solid job figuring out where it can and can't go, making it ideal for open spaces and simple floor plans. This robot is equipped with triple-layer filtration, which helps trap dust and allergens, making it a solid option for people with pets or sensitivities. And speaking of pets, this thing is actually great for pet hair. The brush roll and strong suction pick up fur from carpets and hard floors with ease, and the dustbin is generously sized so you don't have to empty it constantly. You've also got multiple cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and single room. Auto mode is perfect for daily runs. Spot mode handles small, messy zones. Edge mode cleans along the baseboards and walls. And single room lets you focus on one space at a time. You can switch between modes with the included remote control, which is super intuitive and easy to use. No app required, no Wi-Fi needed. It's old school, but it works. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with overly complex apps or smart home setups, the Eufy 11S Max is refreshingly simple. Just press a button and go. And even though it doesn't connect to Alexa or Google Assistant, the remote gives you full control over cleaning schedules, suction modes, and direction, all without needing a smartphone. Another thing I love: durability and build quality. Despite the price point, this vacuum doesn't feel cheap. It's built to last, and Eufy is backed by Anker, a brand known for reliable electronics. You're getting solid customer service and a good reputation behind the product. The 11S Max runs for up to 100 minutes on a full charge, which is plenty of time for most apartments or small to medium-sized homes. It covers a lot of ground and doesn't waste time getting stuck or circling the same area over and over again. Let's be real, this robot isn't trying to be the smartest vacuum on the market. It's not mapping your entire home or mopping your floors, but it is a hardworking, reliable, no-nonsense cleaning machine that's built for people who want to automate daily vacuuming without the cost or complexity of high-end models. So here's a quick recap of what you're getting with the Eufy Hardwood 11S Max. Super slim design for cleaning under furniture, 2,000 PA suction power for deep cleaning, quiet operation for peaceful cleaning sessions, self-charging, always ready to go, multiple cleaning modes plus a full-function remote triple filter system to trap allergens and dust, smart sensors for avoiding obstacles and drops, great for pet hair and daily dirt, no app or Wi-Fi required, just simple, effective cleaning. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, powerful robot vacuum that gets the job done without overwhelming you with tech, the Eufy 11S Max is a solid choice. It's beginner-friendly, pet-friendly, and apartment-friendly. Perfect for people who want to hit the clean button and move on with their day. That's it for today's review. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you pick the Eufy over a more high-end robot vacuum? And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Top 5 Tray, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.